In this video, I'm going to show you a really easy way on how to set up an automated email drip campaign using Stackia. So let's jump in. To begin, let's go from our dashboard to automations and click on Create New Flow. How you initially set this up is by having a starting point. Our starting point here is the workflow trigger. So every contact that has been created from the chat will trigger this flow, and you can also choose your trigger, for instance every new incoming chat. The flow is a combination of two elements: the wait for amount of time, where you can set up how long after the trigger the leads are going to receive the email, and then the send email element. The second element is going to be that follow-up email. So after you fill in the fields, you can personalize the email content entirely by writing it in the merge field, importing HTML, or even using Stackia's email builder, where you can choose from pre-made templates or even build your own. In the settings of this element, you can decide when the email is going to be sent, in which time zone, and how many times it repeats. When everything is to your standard, click on Save. From that follow-up email, we also have a flow element called wait for email/SMS open. Basically, this element waits an amount of days if the leads open the email that was sent, and then you have two options, yes or no. You have the flexibility to adjust the flow to your preferences, making it as complicated or as simple as you like. At the end of the flow, you also have the option to incorporate a flow component known as pipeline. This enables you to add this contact/lead into your pipeline, designate a person to manage this client, and put it on the need to do pipeline. This way your team knows to schedule an initial introduction call. And that's it for this tutorial, so go ahead and click on Save and Publish to enjoy your drip email campaign with Stackia.
Interested in more features? Go to stackia.co and discover more AI-driven marketing tools.